Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how you can create a histogram with a frequency polygon as you see here. I will show you to change or to control over all the tools you need, like titles, like axis, text size and its color. Again, for x-axis and for the chart title, you can also change the full color for histogram, also for frequency polygon and everything you need. If you want to learn, let's start. First, I delete this one. For example, I have this data, class limit and frequency. To have the frequency polygon, I also need to repeat the frequency data here. So I write it here, the frequency. Okay? You can add a title for the frequency here again, but I leave it as it is. Just select this one. Then from insert, here you can click this one, more scatter charts. Here you have combo. You can get this option. Okay, you see? Again, if I delete this one, select and delete. From insert, you can click this one, more statistical charts. Here we have combo again. You get the same window and the same option. You can add secondary axis if you want, or this one, it's up to you. Also, you can select different shapes. For example, I selected this one. Okay, without selecting secondary axis. It's up to you. Good. Now, let's change some features. For example, I want to add chart title. I name it histogram and frequency polygon. Okay, here click this plus sign, add axis titles. Here we have axis titles. Okay, name it, for example, class interval, class limit. This one, frequency. Okay, if you want to change this bar graph to histogram, just select the bar graphs. Then from here, I have the option to change the width. Change it to this one. Okay, now if you want to change the color for this title, just select it. Then from home, you can change the fill color. For example, I selected this fill color. You can change its size to 14. It's up to you. And you can change the text color. For example, I selected black. Okay, if you want to bring the same feature to this title, just select it. Then from here, double click on it. And this one, select this one. Okay. For fill color, again, click this one. Good. Also, you can add fill color for this one. Select it, fill color, let it be this type, and color this one and make it bold and let it be 16. Good. You can change the color for the histogram. Just select it and fill color, it's up to you. I select it, for example, this one. Also, you can add borderline for histograms to separate them. Click this one, select solid line, and you can select the color for the solid line. For example, I selected this red color, let it be red, and you can change. If I click here, it appears, but it's very thin. If you want to change the width, just select this one. Okay. Again, for the frequency polygon, you can select it and change fill color. For example, I selected black. If you want to add minor grid line, just select this one, right click, add minor grid lines. Here you edit minor grid lines. Also, if you want to change the color or the size for this axis text, just select it, then change its size, for example 14, and you can add fill color for the axis, and you can make it black. Okay, if you want to change this property to this one, just select this, format painter, and click this one. For fill color, you can add fill color. Again, if you want to add a label for the data, you have just select this one, chart design, from label. Here we have chart title, data label. This one, it appears like this: inside base, outside, and data callout. It's up to you. You can select one. For example, inside base. Okay, that's the way to add the label. Again, you can select it different type of the design. Okay. Okay, for example, I don't want any shape. I want the one I designed it. So just Control Z. Control Z to bring yours. This one. That's all for today. Don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a nice time.